About 46,000 nuclear weapons were produced during the Cold War era, leading to tremendous volumes of acidic radioactive liquid waste seeping into the environment. A new study suggests yeast as a potentially safer and more cost-effective way to help clean up these radioactive waste sites. Three unusual lunar events will coincide on Wednesday night: a blue moon, a supermoon, and a blood moon. A blue moon signifies two new moons during the same month, because the moon's orbit does not coincide completely with the calendar. A supermoon is when the moon gets the closest to Earth. And a blood moon or total lunar eclipse happens when the Earth, Sun, and Moon are all lined up, making the moon appear red. The so-called continuing resolution keeps the government funded until February 8 in the hope that Congress can reach a longer-term budget agreement in the meantime. Thousands of federal employees who had been placed on temporary, unpaid leave since Saturday breathed a sigh of relief. The government is still not sure whether its alternative idea for the Auckland's America's Cup Village is viable, a week out from the start of the planning approval process. Auckland Council is seeking approval to build 8 bases across 3 wharves, but the government was in favor of focusing on the semi-industrial Wynyard Point, to lessen the extension of wharves. Scientists have captured the first footage in the wild of one of the world's rarest and ugliest pigs. The Javan warty pig is under such threat from hunting and habitat loss that conservationists surveying its habitat believed it might already have been driven to extinction. Camera traps have now revealed that small populations survive in Java's increasingly fragmented forests. In most animals, the brain is located in the head, protected by the skull and close to the primary sensory apparatus of vision, hearing, taste, and olfaction. In humans, it is an organ of thought. While all vertebrates have a brain, invertebrates have either a centralized brain or collections of individual ganglia. Nurse sharks are thought to take advantage of dormant fish which would otherwise be too fast for the sharks to catch. Although their small mouths limit the size of prey items, the sharks have large throat cavities which are used as a sort of bellows valve. In this way, nurse sharks are able to suck in their prey. Nurse sharks are also known to graze algae and coral. A video clip of a bloodied passenger being forcibly removed from a United Airlines flight to make room for airline staff turned into a PR disaster. People used social media to complain that United should be beating the competition, not customers. United's boss, Oscar Munoz, apologized eventually. Lawyers